Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on all post notifications for someone on Instagram, so you never miss an update from your favorite account. Whether it's a friend, a creator, or a brand you love following, these easy steps will make sure you see their latest posts right when they're shared. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you use most often. Once you're in, go to the profile of the person whose post you want to keep up with. You can find their profile by typing their name in the search bar or tapping on their username if you already follow them. When you're on their profile, look just below their biography. You'll see a button that says following. Tap on that button. A small menu will appear with a few different options. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a little bell icon. That's the notifications icon. Go ahead and tap that bell icon. This will open a list of notification settings for that account. You'll see options for posts, stories, reels, videos, and even live notifications. To make sure you get notified whenever they post something new, tap on the post section, then choose all. This setting ensures that every time that person uploads a new post, you'll get a notification on your device. And that's it. You've successfully turned on all post notifications for that Instagram account. From now on, you won't miss a single update and you'll be one of the first to see what they share. If you ever want to stop receiving notifications, you can follow the same steps and turn them off at any time. Thanks for watching.